Hi, this is Joe Jackson with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, North Carolina. I'm standing on board a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer outboard. This one's powered by a pair of twin V10 400 horsepower Mercury Verados. What that allows you to do as you step on board is have a nice big transom area here, and you also have a battery switch, shore water, shore power, easy access to get to. You also have a really large transom locker here. Great to put a transom name on the back. But look at all this storage in here. Fenders, lines. As I step inside, you have a freshwater wash down here. One of the really nice things that we're ordering on all our new boats is the Fender Pros clips, so you can take your fenders on and off. You're not using your cleats for your fender lines. Right inside here, I'm going to start up at the top here. This one's got the open manual sunroof, which makes it really nice. You can shut her down here. This boat also has factory cockpit air and heat, so you have cockpit air and heat and a dehumidifier that's built into that, which is nice to run when you're in areas like ours in the coastal area where there's a lot of humidity. You have the grill on the outside, a trash can and refrigerator and a sink, all sitting right here together. So it's just a great cockpit for entertaining. You can see all the seating room here, tons of it, lots of storage underneath. This boat has the nice lighting strip across for LED at nighttime. Up front here, you got U-zips, so you can talk to the dock hands as you're trying to come in and dock. This boat has the Mercury joystick package. So when you get the twin 400s, we get the joystick here. It comes with skyhook mode here, so it's like a hover. So the hover, you can hover if you're by yourself. You can get out, put your fenders, lines off the side of the boat, get your lines all ready so that when you come in, you can just walk it to the side. It has auto heading built into that as well. You have single lever synchronization on the engine, so you can just run one motor and it runs them right together perfectly in harmony. The twin Simrads. You can see the gray dash, keeps the glare down. We got the glass dash package here. Fusion stereo system, Bluetooth. Over on the right, you've got a spotlight. Spot and flood out there. It's got the auto tab system here on it. Tilt wheel. Plenty of charging stations throughout. And a VHF radio. One of the really nice features on this boat is the seat flips up, so you can sit up and drive. Visibility is fantastic on this boat. What we call this particular model is the coupe edition. So this has got the full glass instead of the half glass with isinglass in the front. So in our area, this is just a fantastic addition. The door slides right over easily, and it has another door right here so that you can shut it, and keeps you nice and warm and a lot drier in here if you're in inclement weather. One of the things that a lot of our clients really like on this boat is the fact that easy to tie up, easy to get your lines, safety with the bow rails here. You got your windlass package here. Spotlight, again, we mentioned is there. This particular boat has a bow sunshade that clips on up there on the hardtop. There's two poles that run up here. So you got a nice sunshade here. It's got a stereo. It's got armrests. There is also a bow cover for this whole area. So it'll zip on this seat here and then snap all the way around, so it keeps it nice and clean. Now we're down in the cabin of the 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer, and Here shows the aft berth, which is very large. It can be twins or the full like you see it as shown here. On both sides you have storage areas that slide open. And then under the center cushion, of course, you could slide stuff like if you had luggage or things like that, you could put on there out of the way, but plenty of room on a 32-foot boat. It's got quite a bit of room. Up in the very front of the 320 Sundancer, you have a nice V berth. You can have, you got your table there that also collapses down and makes that whole area a nice wide berth, and it has storage under all of the seat cushions as well. Up in the front, you have a nice little TV, smart TV there. As you go forward and step around to the right side, you have your main distribution panel, which is your shore power panel. And easy access, easy to see what you're doing there. Lots of natural lighting in the boat. Very, very popular model for us. It's been a great seller, great performer.